Reflex Auto Return Yo-Yo in-depth reviews. This product has 4.3 stars based on 6,445 ratings and 357 reviews. 81% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 10% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Classic toy. Not sure of why my 5-year-old grandson had been asking for a yo-yo, since you never see anyone playing with yo-yo nowadays. But after looking in a few stores with no luck, I decided to just go ahead and order one on Amazon. I never had a Duncan yo-yo as a kid, so I was pretty surprised when this one came and we discovered that it was so easy to yo-yo with it. I guess that's why Duncan yo-yos have been around so many years. My grandson resorted to standing up on the couch so that he could yo-yo without it touching the floor, since he wasn't tall enough. He was so proud that he could yo-yo the first time he tried. I never imagined that with all his electronic tablets/toys that he would love something as simple as a yo-yo." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Easily breakable. It didn't take long for yo-yos to break apart. That's it.